Okay, in this example we're going to talk about the QuikScout Filmroom. Filmroom allows you to make presentations right from your computer. So instead of having to take a VCR and a TV or a DVD player and a TV and wheeling it in with your players, you can actually do everything right from the computer, and you actually have a little bit more power over the video than you would if you were using that remote control for that TV or that VCR. So what you would do is you would go in and do your search just like you would normally. So if I click my game and I go ahead and choose my video button here, I'm going to click video, and I'm going to pick the search I want. In this case, I'm going to do the first and 10 plays. I'm going to drop it over into my search box. I'm going to click the search button, and my list of plays will come up. There should be 12 plays that match my search. Right, you can see on my list here I've got my 12 plays that match the search. Now normally you could hit the play button here and you could watch the video. You could hit the create movie button and you can actually make a movie file of those 12 plays to burn to DVD. But in this case we're going to create a film room session or clipboard session so that we can actually do it right from our laptop with our player. So I'm going to click the button here that says export clipboard, and I'm going to type a description and we'll call it first and 10 plays. Go ahead and hit save. And now what we'll do is we'll back out of this and we'll get all the way to the clipboard menu. Now in the meantime we can take our laptop or our desktop, plug it into our projector, and get our players in. We can choose our lower first and 10 plays here, the one that we just created, and hit select. And now when we do that, we're going to get a screen now that has each one of those edits, each one of those video clips that match our search is going to be on the left side of the screen here as a thumbnail. So if I want to, I can click on the first play. And everything now that you're seeing on the screen gets sent out through the projector so your players can see this too. So it's basically full screen video. You can play the play over again by clicking it again, so you can start it over again as many times as you want. You know, if you want to jump from play to play, if I want to go to play 5, I could just click on play 5 and there it is. At any time if I want to, I can pause it. I can go forward a frame at a time, which is nice. I can actually go backwards a frame at a time now, which is nice. I want to look at, you know, my offensive line and see where they're blocking and how they're doing. I can use my slow motion buttons here. Make sure players are in the right position. Players are where they're supposed to be. You can go ahead and rewind this. What's nice about it also is with the drawing tool, I can click start drawing, and now with my mouse I can actually draw on the screen. You know, there's your fake handoff. This guy's blocking down. You know, this linebacker's going to go this way a little bit as the offensive lineman blocks him that way. Quarterback's actually going to take the ball and have one player to deal with, give him a little fake, and go around the outside. So you've got your drawing tools that you can use at the same time that you're doing this. So you have a little bit more control, like I said, over the edits that you would if you were just using a remote control and a TV or a DVD player. So that's the Filmroom module.